Okay guys, so the project at hand today here is that on my little tractor, whenever you're changing the 3-point, it's just a little bit annoying because whenever you take these pins out, you don't have nowhere to set them but on the ground or something. They get lost easy, and where it's so small, there's nowhere to keep them. So I cut this out of some round stock, and what we're gonna do is weld these on, so then when you change attachments, you can just put your pin in here, and when you need it, it'll be right there. So let's do that, and then we're gonna make a toolbox. Look at how much easier this is. Now when you unhook something, you just leave that right there. And then when you drive to your next implement and you gotta hook it up, just pop her off and pop her on. So that's a nice addition. Now let's get to building a toolbox. So the one bad thing about a tractor that's real small like this is there is nowhere to put anything. Like most your big tractors, you got a little toolbox or a place to store, a chain or a strap or something. But this one, there's not really a good spot for it. So I got to looking, and since it's got this open hole right here, and somebody has fabricated a bigger box here for the battery, I guess put a bigger battery in it. I don't know, it's like that when I got it. But what I'm thinking is I'm just going to cut a piece of plate from the bottom of this straight up, and then straight up, and then I'll have a nice little compartment, throw a chain and couple wrenches and stuff in there, so it'll be nice. I might make a lid for it. I'm kind of just thinking just leave it open because I usually park this thing inside, so that's what I'm thinking. But I might get some hinges and make a little lid for it that I can flip up and down. So, but definitely today we'll get this box put on anyways. Alright, so this piece of metal's cut here, so we'll weld that guy right about there and then measure up the couple others, and we should have a pretty sweet little toolbox. Let's see here. Hey, I cut that to fit pretty good. Alright, here's that box all finished up. I didn't record this side or the front piece because the generator was vibrating the floor and it made the camera go all funny on us. But yeah, so there's that. Here's the front piece. So it's all protected by the big front bumper. So that's pretty nice. Now I've got a nice little storage bin in here. And you might be wondering what all I'm planning on putting in here. So I'll just go ahead and show you. So I got 4 things that I'm primarily going to use or need on this tractor to do something quick. One being a little crescent wrench. So we'll toss that guy in there. Next one being a pair of vice grips. So you never know there. Those are handy. This one being big straight screwdriver / pry bar. So toss that guy down in there. Then the last guy I'm gonna need, or I would need, the whole reason I made this is a place to keep a chain. So I'm gonna put that in there. Now you can see there's room if I wanted to put more stuff in here, I could, but I don't want it all cluttered up. And I was gonna make a lid for this, but I really don't see a point in it because I park it inside and there's holes in the bottom, so if it gets water in it, it'll drain out. But if I need my chain, I'll grab it, pull it out, and I can keep it in here now. It's a good out of the way spot. Need this to pry on something or turn a screw, you know. Need this, I just reach in and grab it. So that's a nice addition. Because I looked and there is nowhere else on this little guy to put a toolbox. Like anywhere else it's going to get knocked off or be in the way. Because I thought about mounting one on the front bumper here, sticking up. But when you open the hood, it's going to be in the way. So that's the only place I could come up with to put one. But other than that, that'll wrap this video up. So there's a couple new modifications I've done to my tractor. So you guys have a good day.